This is for our part 2 of map mode activity 2, part 2, the language of sets. So reference is video 7. Question number 1, true or false? A set is said to be well defined if the elements in the sets are specifically listed. So the answer should be true. So bakit? A set is well defined, diba? If we can look at it at any object and know for sure if it belongs there. You don't need a list. Example, the set of all current Philippine senators is well defined kasi kilala naman natin at alam natin kung sino-sino yung mga senators. Yung hindi naman, yung not well defined sets is, for example, the set of beautiful girls in the Philippines. So, yung beautiful kasi, hindi naman natin siya ma-measure kasi iba-ibang tao may kanya-kanyang opinion and para sa'yo, pwedeng maganda, para sa kanya, hindi naman maganda. So, that is an undefined, not well-defined set kapag sinabi natin set of beautiful girls in the Philippines. So, number 2, the notation identification. The symbol ... is called an ellipsis. What does it mean when used in a set such as 1, 2, 3, ... Ano ba yung ellipsis or ellipsis? The ellipsis is our mathematical etc. It tells us the pattern we've established to continue. So, itong one set of 1, 2, 3, alam naman natin kung ano yung next number na lalagay natin dyan. Kahit hindi siya ilagay lahat ng numbers, alam natin na yung kasunod ng 1, 2, 3, so, syempre, dyan na yung 4, 5, 6. Or kung bibigyan naman, so on and so forth. Another example naman, set of even numbers, 2, 3, 4. So, ibig sabihin, lagyan mo lang ng ... dyan, alam mo na kung ano yung next dyan sa 4. That's 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on and so forth. So, yun yung examples dyan. So, number 3, concept check. Explain the mathematical difference between the set 0 and the number 0. So, don't confuse a gift with the box it comes in. So, yung 0 is an element of a set. And ito naman, itong whole na to, is a set that contains an element. So, ano ba yung nasa loob? 0. So, ang answer natin dyan dapat, the number 0 is a single numerical value, an element. Kasi nga, nandito siya sa loob ng isang set, an element, or an object. So, the set, ito naman, 0 is a collection that contains the number 0, nasa loob ng 0, as it only member. It is a set, not a number. So, ibig sabihin ito, set siya, ito naman, yung 0 is a number. Simple as that. So, number 4. Number 4, counting elements. How many elements are contained in a set 1 and a set of 1 and 1? What are they? So, ano yung answer dyan? Answer natin dyan dapat, there are 2 elements. Ano ba yung nasa loob ng set na to? Yung number 1, tsaka number 1 and the set ng 1. So, yun lang. So, dalawang elements. 1 and itong set of 1. So, meron tayong dalawang elements. Okay? So, parang may example natin dito sa number 4. Pag meron naman tayong set, for example, red, and the sets of blue and green. Blue and green. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang element. Itong red at saka itong set ng blue and green. 1 and 2. Meron tayong dalawang sets dyan. So, number 5. Number 5. Set operators. For a non-negative integer n, if u sub n is n, comma, negative n, what are the elements of u0? So, substitute lang natin. Diba? Yan. The only element is 0. Kasi diba, yung question niya, what are the elements of u0? Diba ganito yan? Substitute natin ngayon yung 0. U sub 0 is equal to the set of 0, comma, negative 0. So, kahit negative yan, pareho lang naman, sulat natin na 0, comma, 0. So, balik tayo sa question. Ano yung question? Elements. Ano daw yung elements? Kahit umuulit ito siya, isa lang yung element natin, which is yung 0. So, for number 6, comparison lang. If set A, 1, 2, 3, set B is 3, 1, 2, and set C is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, how are these three sets are related? So, ano man yung relationship nitong tatlong to. So, kung makikita natin, dito sa A, meron tayong element na 1, 2, and 3. Sa B, meron din, iba lang yung order niya. At saka sa C, meron din tayong 1, 2, and 3 elements. Pero, umuulit-ulit lang siya. So, ibig sabihin, these 3 sets, diba? They are all identical. Ibig sabihin, they are equal. So, ang answer natin dapat dito is all 3 sets are equal. Kasi, di ba, regardless, kahit umuulit man to siya, yung element dyan is 1, 2, 3 pa din. Ano silang element? Yung element nila is just 1, 2, 3 pa rin naman. 1. Yung element dyan ay 1, 2, and 3. So, they are all equal, regardless of order and repetitions inside the set. So, set builder translation, number 7, describe the set integers of x. Dapat daw yung x, yung mga numbers dito sa loob ng set is greater than negative 2 but less than positive 5. So, by listing the elements in the set rasters. So, set lang natin, baga, mas mataas sa negative 2, pero mas bababa naman sa positive 5. So, answers dapat 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, number 8, identify the standard symbol used to represent the set of natural numbers, integers, and real numbers. So, natural numbers, ano naman yan, explain naman doon sa video. So, direct answer tayo dito. Dapat yung answer natin dyan. Number 8, natural numbers, dapat n. Next is integer, dapat z or z. Then, real numbers, dapat r naman, real numbers. So, ito yung mga answer. N, z, and r. N for natural numbers, z for integers, and r for real numbers. So, number 9, equal versus equivalent. So, define the difference between equal sets and equivalent sets based on their elements and cardinality. So, actually, medyo na-explain naman dito part. Diba yung equal sets? So, dapat pareho sila ng elements sa loob. Tapos, yung equivalent sets naman, kung both of the sets have the same number of elements. For example, itong A and B, they are equivalent. No, pareho silang 1, 2, 3, 4. They're also equal. Itong A and B lang. Kasi pareho silang may same element, 1, 2, 3. Ito naman 1, 2, 3 din. Tapos pareho rin sila ng number ng ilan yung nasa loob. 3. So 1, 2, 3 din yung nasa loob ng A. Yung sa B, 3 din yung nasa loob. 3 na elements. So, yun. So, in short, ang answer natin dyan dapat equal sets have exact the same elements. So, exact the same elements regardless of order or tapos equivalent sets have the same cardinality, same number of elements, but don't necessarily have the same elements. So, parang yung ito. Example nito parang ito. No? Yung set A at set B, they are equivalent. Diba? Kung titingnan natin, ABC yung nandito sa loob, ito naman EFG. So, walang magkapareho sa kanila. They are equivalent sets. 3 yung nasa loob ng isang set. Equal. Parang ito, tsaka ito. Kahit anong order, kahit may repetitions, yung nasa loob ng ABC na to is 1, 2, and 3. Elements 1, 2, and 3. So, yung pagkaiba ng equal and equivalent sets. So, last one, joints versus this joint. If set A, B, C, and set B is EFG, are these sets joint or disjoint? Explain why based on their common elements. So, answer natin dyan dapat, they are disjoint sets. So, di ba? This describes whether two groups have any overlap. Disjoints ang dalawang to kasi nga walang magkapareho sa kanila ni isa. So, they are disjoint sets. Walang parehong element sa loob.